Hello guys, I'm gonna make some dog biscuit this time. I must have every day I open the shop, I have customer coming in with dogs. So I'm always giving them a little bit of ham because they're so cute. And so actually I'm gonna make some biscuit now. We'll keep a jar of dog biscuits and there will be edible for us as well. We can eat them. So I'm gonna use, you see, some diced butternut squash, diced sweet potatoes, and grated carrots. So those dice, I'm gonna just cook them in water until nice and soft. The carrot, I will grate it and add it to the mix using gluten-free flour so it doesn't upset their stomach, and a bit of oat. This is nice oat for them, and that's it. And then once they are baked and cooled down, I will give it a try with my little girls, see if they like it. If they like it, good news. I will give it to my customers' dogs then. Okay, so let's boil those. Obviously, no salt. We're gonna grate the carrots now. I'm not gonna peel them, I'm gonna keep the skin because there's lots of vitamins in the skin. That smells good. Okay, let's drain those babies. I'm gonna use a food processor to blitz it as a puree. I'm gonna start with those first. I can't wait to give it to my doggies. Let's add a little bit of grated carrots. Well, all of it, huh? Up. It needs a little bit of water. That smells delicious. Let's put a little bit of oat. And gluten-free flour, so this is like buckwheat, maize, tapioca, rice and potatoes. Personally, I would have put wholemeal for mine because they are okay with gluten. But so at least this will suit every dog. I was wondering if I should put an egg. I think I'm gonna put an egg. Two eggs. It's quite a big quantity here. Okay, this mixer is too small, it won't take anymore, so I'm gonna pour it into a bowl. That's gonna make lots of biscuits actually. Allez. Let's mix it through some gluten-free flour until we have a nice dough consistency. I think to this consistency, I could pipe it. And it should stay in shape. I like the flavor of the buckwheat. So I'm gonna start piping some at this consistency. And the rest will add a bit more flour. to be able to work it with a rolling pin and cutters. Alright guys, let's cook it at 170 degrees until nice and golden. Not too dry because it might be too hard, so we're gonna keep it a bit chewy inside. Okay, so this is what we had left. By adding more flour, you have like a pastry consistency. I'm just gonna roll that out. I wish I had my little heart cutters, but I don't have them. I don't know where I've put them actually. And voila. I keep it quite thick. So I got this one and this one. Yeah, be lovely. Okay, so it looks like it's ready. Yeah, see? They are slightly soft, a little bit soft. I think it's cooked. I'm gonna keep it this way. So this one will be the squishy one. Then I got those. It's a triangle. Those ones. Those a bit smaller for the tiny dogs. Let's bake it. It has a nice flavor. I like the buckwheat flavor. I hope the doggies will like it. We got the carrot as well coming through. Little bit sweetness of the sweet potato. It's not too bad. I might sell it for my customer. There you go, guys. Those little shaped biscuits. They feel quite soft still, but they will just carry on drying and being chewy instead too hard and crunchy. I think it will be best. I don't want to get the dentist bill from the dog's customer. Alright, cool. So we're gonna let them cool down and I will bring few to my girls and see their reaction. Alright, so I arrived home now. I'm gonna surprise my girls with the biscuits. Let's see. Hello, girls. Hello. Look what I got for you. Ooh, that smells good or what? Does it smell good? Okay, let's try. Okay. Come here, girl. What do we got here? Let us try? Should we try that one first? Is it good? Oh, it's nice and chewy. Do you like it, Maskai? What about you? Do you like it? Oh, Cookie is not sure. Hey, are you fetching another one? Do you want another one? Let's see. Should we try this one? This one. Oh, they are nice little treats. Yes. Do you like it? Oh, you like it. That's good. Have you finished yours? Do you want another one, Cookie? A tiny one. They're nice, right? Are they nice? Are they nice, guy? Oh, they're nice. Yes, they're nice. Have you finished yours? Yes? I got a few more here. I got some more. Let's try a triangle. Nice. Oh, you really like it. Please. Nice. Huh? It's a big success, isn't it? It's a big success. Give me a kiss. I love you too. I love you too. That's it, guys. I think it's gonna be awesome for any kind of dogs. Yes, little biscuits. See you later.